Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I've had a lot of fun sharing all kinds of things, especially all my sale hauls for the holiday sales and whatnot. But today I do have a subscription box, one of my favorites. And so I just got my Allure December Beauty Box in the mail. And so this, anyway, so I'm excited to see what's in here. And so let's get to it. Okay, friends, this box is $25 a month. You can get $10 off on your first box. And I think they give you a free gift if you sign up. And I have a link in my information box. So if you want to, you can, go there and check it out if you want. Also, I just signed up for an annual subscription. If you go annual, it knocks it down to $17 a month instead of the $25. So I like to pay it at the head of the year and then not have to worry about it every month. But anyway, you can also do a 3-month and 6-month, I believe. So the price goes down with the more you sign up for. So the price does go down. Monthly is $25 otherwise. So anyway, that's the Allure box. Now, I didn't really know what was in here this time because sometimes I check out, spoilers or whatever, but I didn't really do that. I know they sent, there's one thing in here that they asked that I did a color choice on, but so I'm kind of going to be surprised with you guys when we get in here. So here it is. Here's the pamphlet. I'm usually a little more prepared because I do look and see what's in here first, but it says Happy Holidays from Allure, and it's got, they usually do white tissue paper, but it's got red tissue paper. And so let's see what all's in here. It looks like, anyway, so the first thing we have in here is from Tarte. And this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream I got it in mauve. No, wait. There's a mauve, peachy pink, cranberry, or peppermint. And I think I got the mauve. I'm pretty sure. So there's that. And I actually have love these. I've used them, so they're kind of fun. So it's pretty little pink case, and then it just comes out like this. So it's just a lip. So I love Tarte, period. So anything Tarte is fun. So that's a really good product to start off with. And let's see, the value of this product is $26, and it's a full-size product. So already right now we just paid for the box right there. So the second thing I have in here is from Grown Alchemist, which is an awesome brand. This is a Hydra Restore Day Cream, and I believe this is also a full size, and this is worth $50. So now we just, this double paid for the box on top, but the box is already paid for. So Grown Alchemist can be a little bit pricey brand. So here's what it looks like. They just use they use kind of a metal, it's kind of a metal tube. Anyway, so there's that. Can't complain about that. So that's our second thing. The third thing I'm pulling out here, well, I'm just going to go by the pamphlet. This is actually a nail and hand cream, I think. Let's see what it tells you. We've received this before, so I'm a little disappointed because, I don't know, something I'm not that excited about. It is another full-size product, though, and it's actually valued at $42. It's proof that hand cream doesn't have to be the Ulterium. This one is packed with the kind of skin-loving ingredients you'd normally find in a good face cream. There's vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to help even out skin tone, fading brown spots on the hands, white, tons of oil, tons of oils make this blend extra moisturizing. So it's a hand serum. Okay. So I think what I got before was something you used on your cuticles or whatever, but it was kind of looked like this. It was from the same brand. I'm actually excited about this. Let me see if it's not sealed. So I'm going to try a little bit. Oh, whoa. Okay. It's kind of a jelly, a jelly. I'm going to take my rings off. I'm going to do it good here. So, okay, I'm liking this stuff, really liking it a lot. It has a really kind of a fun smell. I love, like, I know it sounds bad, but I don't know if I should call it chemically, but they're just the clean, fresh, like, anyway. And that just smooth out my hands. Smells good. Feels good. So I'm excited about that. So something I said, first of all, said I was disappointed in. Now I'm excited about it. So anyway, that's our, and then once again, $42. So we're already at, what is that? 50 and 42 is 92 plus 26 is 114 or something so far. So anyway, so the next thing I have here is, I don't know what this is. This looks like a sample. It's probably, oh, this is from Sephora. It's just a Sephora. Every once in a while they'll throw in something from Sephora. This is a collection Super Glow serum with vitamin C plus E. So I like those two, that combination of vitamin C and E. Just talks about in the winter, sometimes you need a little more help in the radiance department. And so this is good for that. Retail price $21 for 30 milliliters. This is just a real, this is 8 milliliters. So it's small. But anyway, so there's that. The next thing I have here is Innisfree Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen, broad sunscreen. I don't know why we're getting all these sunscreens in our winter boxes. I guess it's telling us that we need to use sunscreen no matter what time of the year it is. This one is, okay, let's see. The retail price is $22 for 50 milliliters. This is only 10, so this is a fifth of that. Says even in winter you need sunscreen daily, and this mineral option is a pleasure to wear. It protects UV rays without leaving a white cast on skin. The soft green tint is undetectable and helps even out redness. So anyway, there's that. So that's our fifth item. And our sixth and last item we have here is soft it's soft argan oil. This says Maria Neela. Doesn't have the name on here that I can see. It has her initials. Okay. This is the To Dull Staticky Winter Hair. So I'm excited about that. So it's got what kind of a, okay, it's got kind of a pump. This is actually really cool. And so I will use that on my hair. This is $39.90 for 100 milliliters. We've got a third of that. 30 milliliters is this size. So probably like $13, $14 worth right there. Anyway, so I'm kind of excited about that too. So I like that. So you know, I like to try new things. Allure just has a way, they just know, they really know beauty. And so I trust a lot of the products that they share because I just, you know, I know they really do research and stuff. So that's the argan oil for the hair. There we go. Let's put a little bit in the hair. No. Anyway. Oh, it has a really good scent. Oh my gosh, I want my hair to smell like that. So anyway, there's that. So that's the 5th item. So we got this. We got the the hand serum, which I'm in love with. We've got the sample, the C&E from Sephora serum. We've got the, what was this again? Daily Defense Mineral Sunscreen from Innisfree, which is a really good brand. And then the Grown Alchemist, moisturizer, really high-end brand, good product. And then one of my favorite brands is Tarte, and we got this, the Mauve Lip. So anyway, this was a fun box. I actually like it, where I thought maybe at times I was going through this thinking, oh, this isn't a great box. But actually, I'm really happy with it. So anyway, once again, we definitely got our value. Allure's just great. I love Allure. You can never go wrong, especially it's heavy skincare. And you know, that's something we all, it's like a bonus in our life. So anyway, I am loving it. Let me know what you think. What do you think of the Allure box? What do you think of this box? Did you have a favorite item? Let me know in the comments. And once again, I appreciate your support. And thank you so much for being here. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.